I'm Simon Clarke, owner of Clarke Infinity. We've been trading now for just over 30 years and we install high-end home theatre amongst smart home technology. The reason that our clients choose Clarke Infinity is because of our longevity within the business. We can grasp a holistic understanding of the project from an early stage. We can talk about how each room is going to be used, what room is best as a cinema room, what walls need to be moved, what doors need to be moved. Our clients appreciate that very early understanding and a quick grasp on their project. We then go away, put together a design, put together a process that will move forward and implement a perfect installation. As we have an amazing team of engineers that have longevity within the industry, but also tend to concentrate on the skills that we do best. So each individual engineer will be allowed to choose the discipline or the area that they are most excited about and most passionate about and make it their own. That includes lighting design and installation, CCTV, home theatre. We've got barrel ceilings and acoustic treatment, and we've got control systems. What I tend to do for Clarke Infinity is, having been in the industry so long, is have a really good understanding of the project from a really early stage and can put together designs very quickly for the client who are very often time poor. So the three words that I would use to explain Clarke Infinity would be trust, design and experience.